everybody and welcome back. If you want to get the shattered gold on the X9 Maverick in Black's Ops 7 and you are looking out how to do so, in today's video we are providing a guide how to unlock shattered gold. So let's just dive right in. So the first thing you need to do is you need to complete its base camo challenges like headshots, kills without dying, etc. and you can unlock the shattered gold. So you can go to the option for radar, and once you are there you can just go over and customize it. Select the customize option and select camo, and once you select camo, inside multiplayer you'll be finding three sections for military, special, and mastery. So you need to complete up the military first and then the special, and then only you will be unlocking the mastery with the shadow goal on the very first option. So you need to unlock base camos, so you can play with your you can just go ahead and play with your X9 Maverick. So you can just go over, and if you want to go to the very last section of the military, there we have Ruby Snake, which is the final military camera. And for that you need to get 80 headshot kills. You can prefer aiming for upper torso or head for easier headshots, and play with modes with lots of engagements. And once you reach 80 headshot kills, the X9 Maverick's military camo path is complete and you will be taken to the special camo section. So we can start by Diamondback. You need to kill 30 enemies affected by your tactical equipment. For example, flashbang, stun, grenade, any tactical gear, etc. with X9 Maverick. And within there we have Raptor. You need to get 50 eliminations with X9 Maverick with no attachments. Equip, that is base weapon. And then you will be getting to the mainframe section, which is for that you need to get a kill without taking any damage 30 separate times with X9 Maverick. And those are the challenge requirements you need to complete it up. And once you complete it up, once all the three are done, X9 Maverick special camos are unlocked. You can just go over and avoid risky plays for that. And there will be finding the shattered gold. You can just go over and hit those 3 lives. You can use game modes with freaking spawns in combat and play conservatively. And every time you die, this trick count resets, so treat them like a mini mission. And once you complete 10 of those 3 kill streaks, shattered gold unlocks instantly for your X9 Maverick. You can just go over and complete the challenges and you should be able to get the shattered gold for your X9 Maverick that way. So that is it, everybody. We hope this guide was helpful to you. You can follow up this guide and be sure to get it. So give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.